Hi everyone, welcome to The Grace Life. So in this video today we have an open collaboration and it's called Jingle All the Way, and the host of this collab is Crafty and the co-host is Rustic and Lace DIY. Okay, so I'm going to be listing below the host and the co-host channels down below, along with the playlist. So make sure and head on over there and watch all of the creations that we make with Jingle All the Way. Okay, so jumping into the video, I'm going to be making a candy cane wreath. And we're also going to be using some jingle bells with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. So let's jump into it, guys. Okay, so we're going to be starting out with this microfiber cloth that you can find at the auto section of the Dollar Tree. So we're going to fold that cloth over and we're going to cut it in half before fitting it on to the wreath form. Now we'll be using the glue gun to fold over the cloth to the wreath form, and we're going to make sure that's pretty snug, and then whatever else is excess I'm going to be cutting off. Okay, so I think this came out absolutely beautiful, just like that on its own. So now we're going to move over to the next step, which is getting the red ribbon, which is a velvet ribbon. I was so surprised to see that at the Dollar Tree, and we're going to use that as the red stripe over the candy cane, and we're going to do a few of those all the way up the candy cane. Now, first gluing on the ribbon, I'm just going to wait for that glue to dry. So in the meantime, I saw this ribbon and I thought we'd make a nice bow to go along with that. And this is the one that has the candy cane stripes along the trim. So I really like this one. This is so cute. So we're going to make a little bow. We're going to glue that onto the tails, and then that is going to be done. figure out the placement of the wreath, and then we're going to go ahead and glue that on. Okay, so we grabbed some of that jute twine, we grabbed a couple of those jingle bells, and we're going to start stringing that onto the jute so that we can hang it over the candy cane wreath. So we glue the jingle bells onto the candy cane wreath, then we glue a hanger, and we are almost done. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.